Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Specifically, guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year F-150, that generation, the video may be helpful. We're going to open the fuse box that's located under the hood in the engine bay, right above the radiator. When you open it, guys, your fuse box will look like that. That's your relays with black. This is fuses. You have different kinds of fuses. Now, if you need to buy these fuses at a good price and quick shipping, guys, because at the parts store they can be really expensive, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's explain why it's super important first to test fuses, how to do that, relays as well, and we'll continue.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So, which fuse, guys, we need to check for the AC clutch? If you come in that row right here, you can see, and we're going to talk first about fuse number F30. So from the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that 10 amp fuse right here, guys, that's for the AC clutch that you need to check. This fuse here, one of them. You have one more, okay, that you need to check, and I'm talking, guys, about fuse number F77. You will be in that fuse row right here, and that will be 1, 2, 3. That's another 10 amp fuse that you need to check. If you guys want to see, okay, how to repair AC, how to replace AC clutch, and why AC does not work, guys, we have more videos about that on our YouTube channels, other YouTube channels. Check them out if you need more help with that.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.